So we are here right now in Federico, diba? It's Federico. So it is new for us. So it's our first time to come and dine here. So I ordered Lumi, the overload. So as you see it here, there's a lot of overload stuff here. And when I ordered the bangus and the milkshake, the mango I mean. So we treat ourselves today. We just been in salon to do the pedicure. So it's the girls' day today. It's girls' day off. Cafe Federico. So this place was new here. They're just only serving just a local food. Batchoy, lomis, the same tapsilog, longsilog, like a breakfast stuff, and some other drinks as well, some other beverage. I already on the truck. I already cooled down the aircon. So it is the inside of the Federico. So it is like a house also that they turn into the business. It's a duplex. So hello again everybody, good morning. It's another day of a busy day here again. So this morning I went to the market early and so that I can buy the stuff that we need for today for their snack and for their lunch. So I bought the chicken and I'm gonna make a tinolang manok because you know these boys they have something soup, especially if they pour the concrete. And this morning I bought a treat for myself, so I bought the sticky rice. Of course I need to fill up my belly before I start working here in the kitchen. And also I bought bamboo shoot and some vegetable to mix this one. So I'm gonna cook the fish, butter fish, and then the bamboo shoot. So the boys show up there right now. So we add more crew for this morning. So this is all the tiny, very tiny fish. See that one? So I add flour, this one already, and the egg. And I'm going to add this tomato and onion, and I'm gonna add seasoning.
Hey everybody, if you're enjoying the content that you're watching right now, give us a thumbs up, write a comment down below, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and help us bring those numbers up. We really appreciate it a lot. We're going to let you get back to the content now, but if you do us a solid and do that right there for us and just take a minute, we would really appreciate you.
They said you're not a complete woman if you don't know how to cook, even just a basic. So I always teach the twin that I told them that they need to learn to cook even just a basic thing or a local dish. So all you need This one, this bamboo shoot, I always mistaken banana shoot, bamboo shoot. So this bamboo shoot is you need to boiled for a while, just only a quick boiled, and then after that you squeeze the juice on that so that it's not that bitter when you eat. Ooh, it's hot. This is the first coconut milk. So you need to make another one for the first water of your dish. And the first one is, this is the last you're gonna put it. So this is the small fish that I was already prepared earlier. So I have a slice of fish here also, and I'm going to fry this one. And my rice, the first cook that the rice is already cooked. I mean the rice that I cook first batch, and I cook the second batch because my rice cooker was small, so I cook the second batch. And this one here, my vegetable, the banana, always mistaken, the bamboo shoot is still cooking. So it's a multitask what I'm doing here right now. So cooking that bamboo shoot, cooking rice, and then cooking this fish. So it's a multitask for me. It's okay, you know, I still look beautiful and cute for the eyes of James no matter what. So even how look busy I am, even how look tired or haggard, I'm still cute for him. Right, babe? So finally it's done. James loved it. He just ate one of my fish patty. So it's lunch break.
Hindi tama, mabusog yan. Bago lang kasi lang lawas ba sa video mo, day ba?
Siyempre.
Puro lang lawas.
Sabi sa cellphone, yung kailangan binibira ni mama.
Tato na sa cellphone. Hindi na luma. Kita to ako, buk yung ginagdiwan mo pa. Ang binda ta ka puro kung mason. Yan na dapat tatlong kung ko ora ora matakbo. Ito na ko tsara mo dito. Price better obian na yo.
So they want to try the black rice. Kay Miller only, gano lang man, coconut, 3 coconut lang. So it's their lunch break. Ay, diyan ka Galinard. Ano ka man? Wala ka na. They're not hungry. They're gonna do a prank for Jewel because Jewel's sleeping. Lunch break, 1 hour lunch break, and the boys are there. They are find their place to go chill for a while and resting. So they're going back around 1:30 p.m. And me also, it's my lunch break rest. Because like around 3 p.m. I'm going to prepare their snack as well. So